Hello YouTube, today we will be making a DLL based aimbot for Call of Duty World at War. We'll be working on bit and assembly, which I won't be covering many details of, but the video as a whole should be helpful. I'll try to make a dedicated tutorial in the future covering assembly in more depth, but otherwise let's get started. Open up Call of Duty World at War and Cheat Engine. Attach Cheat Engine to the game. Load the associated table. Go to solo game, mission select, Nazi zombies, Dries. And what we're going to do is find out what writes to our vertical movement address. Right click, find out what writes to this address, click yes. We already have a bunch of instructions going up. So we're going to double click on this. And we have an address of where our vertical position movement is getting changed. So what we're going to do next is open up Dolly Debug. And attach that to the game. Click OK. Now do Control G. You'll have a little prompt come up. You want to enter in this red address right here, 004185551. That's what I have right here. You don't need the zeros at the beginning. Click OK. That'll take you to something that looks like this. And what we're going to be needing to do is changing this section of code or an assembly to look like this. So go ahead and go up to up 3 lines to 418545. Double click on the instruction and then just type in what you see right here. And the addresses you see right here and right here are the same as the vertical and horizontal movement addresses. So we're just moving the data into those directly. Click Assemble. Whoops. Yeah, space. Oh. There we go. Assemble. Then on the next line, assemble. Go to the next line. And again, this address is the same as this horizontal movement address right here. Click assemble. And then we're going to overwrite these two. And click assemble. Now we're done with the changes. Select your section. Binary copy. Alright, so we have all the instructions right here. We can go to edit, replace. We're going to replace a space with a \x. Replace all. So this is going to be our changed operation code. We also want to get the original opcode. The binary copy. I'm going to open up another notepad window. Put a space at the start, edit, replace, space with \x, replace all. Copy this. Don't need to save it. Just paste that there. So now we have all the information we need. We can close out of Ollie Debug and Cheat Engine, and we can start up Visual Studio 2012 or whatever version you're running. We're going to start a new project. We're going to call this Call of Duty World at War AimBot, or AimBot 1. Let's call it AimBot 1. Next, empty project, check off DLL, since we're making a DLL. Uncheck security development lifecycle checks, click finish. Add a source file, new item, let's call it source.cpp. I'm going to move this over here for now. I'll zoom in a bit. So we need to define a constant at the top so we can use the math constants. So define underscore use math defines. Basically we're going to be using pi. Then we need to include a few libraries. We need windows.h. Need cmath. Need an algorithm. And we need vector. We have a bunch of constants. This is all information we've gotten in past tutorials. So if you don't have this, you can either copy me or go back to tutorials and get it yourself. So we need dword character base address 0x18E745C. This dword character offset is 88 apart. For the character I'm talking about is zombies. The character, the X position offset is 0x0. Character Y position offset is 0x4. Z position offset is 0x8. Character dead offset is 0x68. Character dead value, let's go to 0. Max characters, max number of zombies basically is 25. Keyword number, player angle vertical equal to 0x018ED18C. Keyword player angle horizontal 0x018ED190. Again, we got these values in previous videos. Player X position is 0x18ED088. Keyword player Y position equals 0x18ED08C. Player Z position is 0x18ED090. Cheat opcode base address, which I forgot to have you guys write down, but it's that red number we had earlier. It's 0x004185545. And yeah, you can rewind the video to see that. And the original opcodes, just copy and paste. new opcodes. And then the opcode length, which we have to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So our opcode length is 33. And then we're setting the distance that we want our aimbot to activate when between the player and the zombie to be 400. Now we need a few functions. Need void read memory. We're just copying from source into the destination. Need write memory. We need a function called enable hack. And all this does is change the opcodes, so it calls write memory. We need disable hack. It reverts the opcodes. Very simple. Now we need a couple of functions that get a little complex because they're math based. So calculate 3D distance, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Return square root of x1 minus x2 times x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2 times y1 minus y2 plus z1 minus z2 times z1 minus z2. And if you look online, you can probably figure out why this works the way it does. Now we need another function called calculate angles. So angles And then I'm just going to copy all these parameters we set up over here. So we need the same ones over here. Again, if you want to figure out why this math works the way it does, there's resources online. I don't really understand it, but I was able to make this work. Now we need a function called aim towards angles. Oops. Now we need structure, struct clear, which I guess is already public. Float Y position, float Z position. This is the player, as in you. Need another structure called zombie. Base address, X position, Y position, Z position, live. Oops. This actually takes parameter. method in here. You see if the character is alive or not. And you get the X, Y, and Z position of the character. You can copy this and paste it twice. Change these to Y and Z. Okay, we need another structure called target. So we need one more function called compare targets. Oh, we need another function. Main thread. And before we write that, I can go ahead and write the entry point, the main. So if we're attaching to a process, then we want to create a thread. Alright, now we'll write the main thread. We're almost done. Oops, did I misspell that? Max character is a mess. That's it. I'll click run. You'll say unable to start program. Click OK. Right click on the project. Click open folder in File Explorer. I'll go up one directory. Then go to debug. You'll see the DLL right there. We need to get a DLL injector, which I have on the side over here. In a second. I have another video on how to make this DLL injector. Alright, so open up Call of Duty World at War. Right click, hold shift and right click on the folder and click open command window here. And then do DLL injector, see the usage. So, and we need the absolute path to our DLL. So right click paste. And Call of Duty World at War AimBot 1.dll -p for process Call of Duty World at War.exe. Press enter. Injected successfully. Solo mission select Nazi zombies to rise. And then hit the Alt key. And it won't look like there's anything different right now until we get a zombie that's close to us. Now, see, I can move around. Now I'm stuck tracking this zombie. It locks on until it's out of range. I can't move my mouse. Now I can move my mouse. That's it. It's definitely not the best aimbot. It's pretty terrible, but it does demonstrate a lot of important info when trying to make an aimbot. Thanks for watching.